Hi guys, welcome to my crazy life. It's Lori. And I did a little shopping. I went to a store called Ollies, bargain find or something of that. And then across the street was an Ohio Thrift. So I did that. And I'll show you what I got. And then we have a little walkthrough in Ollies, but I couldn't really talk to you in there because their music is so loud. So there's that. So I'll just put some music or something or maybe just quiet, or maybe I'll talk, I don't know. But for now, we're in the car. I'm cleaning up my mess. So we'll do the Ohio Thrift first. It's not really a thrift store. What it is, they buy overstock, like clearance from Target, I think Dollar General. I saw some Dollar Tree things in there. So it's not really a thrift store, but I ran in. And here's an example. This was on clearance at Target for $1. And I paid 79 cents. But it's a little water bottle, which I thought would be good for travel. Or just throw it in my backpack when I'm working. Because I'm trying to be a water drinker. I'll tell you, it's not going well. I got this little native deodorant. I think they're regularly like $3.99. I got it for 99 cents. Cucumber mint. It is 100% for travel. This is going to be my deodorant to pack in my travel container because it's nice and small, and it's 99 cents. It is aluminum free. And then also for travel, I got 2 of these little sets. And I'm going to use one for sure. Again, for travel, I don't leave home without a nail file. And for my little bag, they're nail file buffer set is what they are. So you get a nail buffer, but really I just wanted these little nail files. Because when I travel, I must have one, and these are small and can just go in my little backpack. It was 99 cents. I got 2 packs because these are tiny little nail files. So what brand is this even? I don't even know. Olive and June. So I think they're probably for like fake nails, but I need them for me. And then I grabbed these, which I thought was a good deal. Some storage baskets for my craft space. So you can put a label here, but also I might be doing craft fairs next year, and if so, I'm gonna need some baskets. So I thought, well, this could be a double. It's $3.99, which I don't think is bad. And you can put your label right here with the pricing or whatever. So I thought that was pretty cool. I got 3 of them. 3 silver baskets. So that was it at Ohio Thrift. I did go to Starbucks on my way, and it is Tuesday. Okay, so the reason I drove this way was to go to Ollies because I had heard they had overstock from Joann, which they did. They also had a floor lamp, I think I showed you, for $39.99. I almost got it, but I'm like, I don't need it, leave it. But it was a good deal. So I got this from Draper James, which is Reese Witherspoon's company. And this is craft paper. Could be wrapping paper, it could be craft paper, but I love it. I love me a gingham, especially for spring crafting, and this was $1.99. So I grabbed that. This, I think, let me make sure how much I paid for this. I think I guess was $1. Yes, it was $1, and it is a bag that you put all of your craft stuff in, or makeup in, or beauty product, and then you draw the bag. And I know these were expensive when they came out because I feel like I looked at one. See, you can use it for all different things. And then you open it up and lay it out, and when you want to clean up your mess, you draw it up and it becomes a pouch. And for $1, I thought that was a fantastic price. So I grabbed that. Oh yeah, okay, I got little things down here. I got little things. Yes. Okay, that's everything. I grabbed these little stickers. They're a yard of stickers. So you can separate them into these little size sheets and share them. I just thought they were super cute. I love stickers, and they were $1. And these are American Crafts. So I'm assuming the last thing they bought out was American Crafts, because I know the Draper James they had at Joann, but I don't know about everything else. In the sewing section, I found this little sewing kit, but look at this thread. I thought this would be super cute for ornaments. When I make my felt ornaments, to blanket stitch with that. It even has a bobbin if you want to, I don't know, I'm not putting that in my sewing machine. I mean, this is not thread, this is Baker's Twine Stitch. I hate when they put their stickers. I don't know what it is. Oh, perfect for sewing paper and fabric with the Stitch Happy Multimedia Sewing Machine. Okay, this is for their sewing machine, for the We Are Memory Keeper, but I'm just going to use it to hand sew. Because that's a great price for that much and that size of Baker's Twine. You can also use it to hang your ornaments. So I grabbed that. That was perfect. Oh, and then I got this, not crafting. It is Olay cleaning melts. It's a trial size. You get 12. Guys, for travel, right? We're gonna do this. Watch. It's $1.99, but I'm gonna take them out when I travel. You get each of these is a melting face soap with retinol. So you soak, you gently add water, let it dissolve, you rub it in your hands, and you wash it in your face. No sulfates, no parabens, no mineral oil. And it has retinol in it. And it's Olay brand. So I will peel these out of here when I leave. I'll leave them like this for now. That's 12 nightly washes for my face. And it doesn't weigh anything. Like face wash can be heavy. So I was like, well, okay, because I got a big trip coming up. Then I got this. I love double-sided craft paper. I gotta see if we can see you on here. Oh yeah, you can. It's two-sided. So when you fold it, you get different looks. And look, I got it for that. But there's all kinds of paper in here. And this is Vicky Boutin American Crafts. There is also an American Crafts warehouse here in Columbus. So I'm wondering if that's where they got these. But so craft paper, it's a 25 pack, which is awesome. So I got that one, and then this is Project Life, which might be from Joann. No, it's all, well, I mean, it might be from Joann, but it's also American Craft. And you got in here 12 double-sided designer papers, 12 double-sided designer papers. It was in different languages. But I like it. Look at, these are your patterns. I think it'll be super fun. And I don't really have a lot of craft paper that's not Christmas themed specifically. But I am pretty sure that they have this this brand at least at Joann. It's raining, so if you hear something, it's my wipers. Oh, cute. Aw, it says always stay little. That must be for like a baby. And little chicks. I don't think this is baby paper, is it? For like baby scrapbooking or something? I don't think so. No, there's clouds. and hearts and letters. I mean, definitely could be for littles. I love that right there. That looks like French General fabric to me. Actually, I have fabric that looks just like that. So, and these were, these were $4.99 for that one, and this one was $2.99 for the 25 pack. This is not as heavy. So that was everything I got on my little adventure today. I will put some footage in here with walking through Ollies and showing you. Mostly what they had was like cake decorating stuff, and or sugar cookie decorating, to be honest. But that's okay. I'll take you on a little walk through. I'll put a little Christmas music in the background, and we will be good. All right, guys. Well, thank you for coming along, and I will talk with you later. Bye.